Hi friends, this is Gayatri. Yes, today we are going to discuss about logic gates. First of all, what is logic gates? Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relation between input and output is based on certain logic. If we want to design any digital circuit without logic gate, it is not possible. The basic logic gates are classified into seven types. They are AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XNOR gate, and NOT gate. The truth table is used to show the logic gate functions by listing all the possible value the function can attain. All the logic gate have two input except the NOT gate which has only one input. AND gate. The AND gate is the basic digital logic gate that implements logical conjunction. It behaves according to the truth table. Output one result if all the input to the AND gate are high. If not all the input to the AND gate are high, it results low output. Function can be extended to any number of input. Symbol of AND gate is here. Truth table for AND gate is if both the input are high, it results high output. Boolean expression of AND gate is y equal to a multiple b. Working of AND gate is if 0 is the input, 0 is the output, 1 is the input, 0 is the output, 10 is the input, 0 output, 1 is the input, 1 output. OR gate. A high output OR gate. A high output one results if one or both the input to the gate are high. If neither the input is high, a low output results. Symbol of OR gate is here. If any one of the input is high or otherwise both the input is high, it results high output. Otherwise, it results low output. The Boolean expression of OR gate is y equal to a plus b reads as y equal to a or b. Working of OR gate is 0 is the input, 0 output, 1 is the input, 1 output, 0 is the input, 1 output, 1 is the input, 1 output. NOT gate. In digital logic, an inverter or NOT gate is a logic gate which implements logical negation. Symbol of NOT gate is here. Truth table is if I give 0 input, 1 is the output, 1 is the input, 0 is the output. Boolean expression for NOT gate is y equal to a complements. Working of NOT gate is 0 is the input, 1 is the output, 1 is the input, 0 output. NAND gate. NAND gate or NOT AND gate is a logic gate which produce an output which is false only if all its input are true. Those its output is complement to that of an AND gate. Symbol. Symbol of NAND gate is designed using AND gate and NOT gate. This bubble is called inversion bubble that represent complement or negation. Truth table. Truth table of NAND gate is if any one of the input is low or both the input is low, it results high output. Otherwise, it gives 0. Boolean expression of NAND gate is y equal to a multiple b complement. Working of NAND gate is 0 is the input, 1 is the output, 1 is the input, 1 is the output, 0 is the input, 1 output, 1 is the input, 0 output. NOR gate. The NOR gate is the digital logic gate that implements logical NOR. A high output 1 results if both the input to the gate are low. If one or both input is high, a low output 0 results. NOR gate is the result of negation of the OR operator. Symbol of NOR gate is combinations of OR gate and a NOT gate. Truth table of NOR gate is if any one of the input is high or both the input is high, it results low output. The Boolean expression of NOR gate is y equal to a plus b bar. Working of NOR gate is If 0 0 is the input, 1 output, 0 1 is the input, 0 output, 1 0 is the input, 0 output, 1 1 is the input, 0 output. XOR gate. A XOR gate implements an exclusive OR, that is, a true output results if one and only one of the input to the gate is true. If both the input are false or both are true, a false output results. Symbol of XOR gate is here. A truth table for XOR gate is if both the inputs are same, it results 0. Otherwise, both the input are different, it results 1. Boolean expression of XOR gate is Y equal to A exclusive or B. Working of XOR gate is 0 0 is the input, 0 output, 0 1 is the input, 1 output, 1 0 is the input, 1 output, 1 1 is the input, 0 output. Thank you guys.